This guy could have made his first $10,000 with these AI-generated videos. A new YouTube Shorts niche is exploding right now, and these videos show insane scenes like Ferraris falling off broken bridges, elephants crushing luxury cars, and bulldozers running over brand new Rolls-Royces. But none of it is real. Every single frame is generated with AI. And the craziest part is, you can do this for free using your phone, and in just under 1 hour. The guy got over 26 million views on a single video, 16 million on another, and 9 million on yet another, and then all these other viral videos. With YouTube Shorts paying anywhere from 10 to 16 cents per thousand views, that's between $2,600 and $16,000 from just one video. Not bad for AI-generated stuff like this. Here's the part most people miss: finding the right niche at the right time. Today, manually finding trending niches and analyzing them is almost impossible. So I will give you the secret tool I use to find these niches. It's called RunwayML. It tracks viral trends, hot video ideas, and top creators, giving you everything on one simple dashboard. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you log in, you'll see trending videos across multiple categories like Would You Rather, Motivation, Quiz videos, and more. Each one shows you real engagement data, trending patterns, and the best posting times. For example, I chose this Would You Rather niche, and it gave me these trending videos. I found a creator with almost 500,000 followers on TikTok, and I wanted to go deeper. So I just copied the creator's username and pasted it into Verlo's creator search. Select TikTok if you want TikTok data. Hit Analyze, and boom, you'll see their full engagement stats, viral score, most used hashtags, and the exact times they post. Plus, ideas are generated for you on any niche you are researching on. And if you don't want to make the videos yourself, Verlo even lets you hire an editor right inside the platform. Click Get Editor, choose your niche, set a budget, and submit. They'll match you with someone who can make this exact type of video for you. Now let's get back into making these viral videos using AI. I'll walk you through two methods, one completely free to get you started, and another paid option. Perfect if you want to scale your content. For the free method, it's all about using daily credits offered by text-to-image and image-to-video AI tools. I've already tested most of them, and here are the top free ones. Don't worry about the prompts. I've left them in the description so you can just copy and paste. The tools are DeepAI, which gives 225 daily credits and supports both text-to-image and image-to-video. Each video might cost between 40 to 75 credits. Next is Ideogram, which is only for text-to-image but gives really good results. Then there's Google Veo, and finally, Leonardo AI, which gives you 150 credits daily. I've tested all of them so you don't have to, and here's the combination we'll use. For image generation, we'll use Leonardo AI. It gives you 150 credits every day. Even if you use all of them, it resets the next day. Then for image to video, we'll use Google Veo. It's free for now, and honestly, it's really good. So let's do it. First, go to the description of this video and get the prompt I prepared. Copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will instantly give you 10 prompts to create images. Now go to Leonardo and sign up for free. You should see your 150 daily credits. This is enough to make 2 to 3 videos a day. Click on Image Generation, then paste your prompt into the box. Make sure you select the 2:3 ratio, which is perfect for TikTok and Instagram, and click on Generate. Just look at these images. I did this twice and picked this one from the batch, so I just downloaded it. Now, to turn the image into a video, open your browser, search for Google AI Studio, and click the first link. Sign up, and you should land on this dashboard. Select the Video Generation option, choose the portrait ratio, then click on the Image button and upload the image you just downloaded. Once the image is loaded, I type in a short prompt like a bulldozer crushing a red car and click on Run. After a few seconds, here's our video. Just look at this. I added sound in CapCut, so you'll need to do that too. And that's how we made this video with no budget. You might think this video is short, and yes, it is. But so are all the videos people are making right now. And that's what's making them go viral. Now for the paid version, the best tool I've found is called nim.video. It doesn't offer a free trial, but it gives you access to all the leading image and video generators in one platform. You just generate images using Nim, and once you click on one, it gives you the option to turn it into a video instantly. That's everything you need to make these kinds of viral videos. But before you jump into any niche, make sure you use RunwayML to check how well that niche is performing. You can get ideas from the video idea generator or even hire an editor directly from the platform. Link is in the description.